And they told me here at Como that it's not allowed to put the chicken in the pasta and to put vegetables in the pasta.
No, it's not normal in Italy. Vegetables, yes, in kitchen, not allowed.
No. And it's not allowed to put cheese on fish?
No.
Not allowed.
Never cheese inside the fish.
Hi, I'm Cas Odenthal. I'm here at Platea and I'm going to learn how to make the Pasta Frutti di Mare. I really like it, I like the seafood. This is my favorite restaurant because you have view on the lake, of course, and the quality of the food is really good here.
My name is Stefano Latassa. I'm the owner of Platea. We opened this restaurant 3 years ago. Food is wow here. In Italy, the food is amazing. It's fantastic.
The city here, it's fantastic, especially when you live in the Netherlands and you come here. Good weather, good food, so it's perfect here. Nice to meet you, Cas. So we're going to make the Pasta Frutti di Mare.
Okay. My name is Daniel. I'm a cooker. I work here in Platea 2 years.
Ciao, ciao. I speak a bit Italian, but my English is better. I know, of course, buongiorno, come stai, bene. And I know a lot of bad words, but they told me I can't say the bad words. So how do we start the...
You wanna cook it?
Yeah, I want to cook it.
Okay, perfect. So we can start.
Of course, we have to start with this, huh? It's important.
I started cooking 10 years ago. I love the pressure, I love work, I love looking people happy. It's good, feeling good for me, for all of us.
I feel like a chef right now.
You want a cup?
Okay, yeah, of course, I want a cap too.
It is in the middle.
I feel like a master chef.
First thing, put inside the pasta, 12.
12 pieces.
Yes, 12. Okay.
12.
Perfetto.
Nah.
Take this one.
Thank you.
Start with octopus.
All the octopus?
No.
Or the...
Take it. Take more. All of this. Put
Oh?
inside.
Oh, okay,
No
yeah.
problem.
You're the chef.
Put inside, yes.
But I don't know how to make seafood, so it's good to have the lessons here now. I have really good assistants, so that's...
Oil?
Oil?
Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna wait 5 minutes maybe.
5 minutes?
Start to
Ah.
cook. Okay.
Easy, eh?
When it's only one, then it's not difficult. When I have 30, 40...
Yeah, okay, yeah. Then it's
Harder,
difficult.
yeah.
Normally you put a timer now. If you're making
No,
20 dishes, you have the fingerspitze experience. You know?
There you go. You want to salt it?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I did it in this.
Ah, okay.
I'll go back. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Quality.
Okay.
I like this part.
Yeah.
And the way- yeah.
That's very good.
Pretty natural.
Yes.
I think after my career I've become a chef here.
Yeah.
You know? And they told me here at Como that it's not allowed to put the chicken in the pasta and to put vegetables in the pasta.
No, it's not normal in Italy. Vegetables, yes, kitchen, not allowed.
No. And it's not allowed to put cheese on fish. When you have a pasta with seafood, no cheese.
No.
Not
Never,
allowed.
never
No.
cheese inside the fish. Tomato sauce. Oh,
The tomato sauce?
take and half of soup vegetables. I'll take the mussels
Yeah.
and the clams and put inside. Because it's not good if this cook a lot. So we separate and this continues cooking. But if you cook a lot, it's like a chewing gum maybe. Now we're gonna cook this.
Cook the sauce. Okay. We're gonna cook the sauce now. That's what they told me. The pasta inside?
Yes? Now your favorite part.
The... Wow.
You get the hang of it.
Brain meat?
Now I feel like a real chef.
You're a real chef now. Italian chef. Making pasta. That's perfect.
Ah, perfect.
Pasta?
Good. Plate there. And now the seafood.
Mix it around. And the clamp in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay. Ah, okay.
Always close the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the middle. Everywhere. Everything. The tomatoes, the octopus, everything.
Oh,
It's perfect.
basta.
Around the plate. Here, okay.
What it is? Flowers.
Flowers. So romantic person.
Yeah, for if my girlfriend is here.
That's it.
Basta.
Basta così.
And now, buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Yeah? Yeah.
Bravo.
Okay, grazie. Oh, thank you for the
Grembiule. Grembiule.
grembiule. Grazie mille.
Cas was a very good person. Very good cooker, and look like a good person. I love people like that. You're fucking.
Wow, wow.
How do you think you did?
I don't know. You have to ask the master. No,
You did
not
good?
that.
Yeah, oh, of course. Very good.
Okay, that's taste. So it's really good, really good. What can I say about the dish? I really like the texture. I don't know. I really like the food. I like the taste of the seafood, the shrimps. Really good. And of course, the view on the lake. I'm in Como. Yeah, it's the best. They can learn a lot from it in the Netherlands. I have to say more. Put away the camera, please.
It's not the camera.
You the whole time like.
There's a big one over there. I don't know if you noticed.
But he's polite. I don't know who made this plate, but he's a really good chef. Really proud of myself, of course. Okay.
For me, it was a real
Grazie.
pleasure.
It was a pleasure. Thank you very much.
For me too.
Thank you very much. And for the people at home, like, comment, and subscribe. And we see you later. Bye. Can I eat again?
Yeah, just go eat.